Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful flower petal. We are using a pink and white color of thread and a crochet needle as well. So we're going to make the petal first. So increase and decrease the thread size like we're doing here. Now we are going to make the outline using pink color of thread. So hold the thread on your index finger like this and tie a knot at the end. We are also putting a pole at the center. So use this thread and needle and put the pearl on the needle and sew it at the center of the flower like this, and look, it's done. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful rose flower. First, make this design using crochet. After this, we're going to roll all of them using hot glue gun. You can also stitch it. So we are going to roll it around this green stick, and we are putting this hot glue gun on one side and roll it like we're doing here. And this way, you can get a beautiful rose flower. Hold it tightly. Similar way, we're also pasting the stalk as well. So we're going to paste all of them using hot glue gun as well. You can also sew them using a thread and needle, but here we are going to use the hot glue gun, and look, your flowers are ready. Going to make beautiful flower using crochet needle and thread. Here we are going to use white and pink color of thread. You can use whatever color you like. Here we are going to make the boundary of the flower. So we are using this pink color of thread like this, and we're going to put it on the top of the flower like this, and increase and decrease the size of the thread like we're doing here. Hold it tightly and you will get this beautiful flower petal at the end. Now we are going to roll it like this and make a flower, and look, it's ready. You can later pin it, and look, it's done. In this video, we are going to make a green color of flower pot using thread and needle. Here we are going to use a crochet needle, and look, your flower pot is ready. Put a sponge inside it. You can also use a cotton in place of it and decorate flowers on the top of it, and look, it's ready. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful keychain. So use this crochet needle and increase the size of the strip one after another, and look, your beautiful keychain is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.